Partial functions in Python allow you to fix a certain number of arguments of a function and generate a new function. This technique is crucial for creating cleaner, more maintainable code by reducing redundancy and enhancing readability. Understanding partial functions is essential for mastering advanced functional programming techniques. Functools. Partial allows us to fix a certain number of arguments of a function and generate a new function. This is crucial for creating specialized versions of functions without code duplication. By pre-filling arguments, we maintain cleaner code, adhering to DRI, don't repeat yourself principles, and enhance maintainability, especially in scenarios like logging or database queries. Function specialization often leads to code duplication, violating DRI principles. For instance, creating separate logging functions for different severity levels or repeatedly using the same database connection parameters can be cumbersome. This traditional approach results in repetitive, hard-to-maintain code, highlighting the need for more efficient solutions. A partial function is derived by fixing some arguments of an existing function, creating a new callable with fewer parameters. It partially applies arguments, producing a specialized version that remembers these fixed values. Imagine it as customizing a Swiss Army knife, locking certain blades while keeping others available. Using functools.partial, you can create a specialized function from a general one. For instance, the original function multiply xy can be transformed into a partial function double by fixing x as 2. This new function only requires one argument, y, to operate, effectively doubling its input. The functools.partial function simplifies interfaces by locking specific arguments. It wraps the original function, storing fixed values, and when invoked, combines these with new arguments. This creates a new callable that behaves like any other function, offering a streamlined way to manage complex functions with multiple parameters. Positional arguments fill parameters sequentially, while keyword arguments allow flexibility by fixing parameters by name. For instance, using functools. Partial, you can fix the base in a power function to create a square function, or fix the exponent to create a cube function. Keyword arguments enhance clarity, especially in complex functions. In API requests, using partial functions streamlines repetitive tasks. By defining a base function for API calls, you can create specialized functions like authorized get and authorized post. This approach centralizes authorization headers and base URLs, simplifying code maintenance and enhancing developer efficiency by abstracting complexity. Configuration management and database operations can be streamlined using partial functions. By defining connection parameters once, like prod dbcon, and reusing them across queries, you eliminate repetitive setup. This approach reduces parameter overhead, simplifies environment-specific configurations, and minimizes coupling between application layers, enhancing maintainability and scalability. Partial functions streamline callback management by pre-binding context, enhancing clarity, and reducing errors. In a GUI with multiple buttons, each button can have a unique callback using partials, avoiding complex Lambda closures. This method ensures explicit intent and mitigates common closure pitfalls, making your code more maintainable and robust. Partial functions offer cleaner syntax, preserving function metadata and enhancing readability, making them ideal for scenarios requiring fixed arguments. In contrast, Lambdas provide flexibility, allowing for conditional logic and complex transformations, though they lack metadata preservation. Choose partials for clarity and reusability, and Lambdas for dynamic, one-off operations. Choose partial functions when you need to fix arguments of an existing function, create reusable specialized functions, or work with higher-order functions like map. They are ideal for building configuration-driven architectures and providing context in callback functions. Opt for Lambdas when transforming or computing arguments, requiring conditional logic, or reordering arguments. Partial functions can be composed to create specialized versions, forming a hierarchy of abstractions. Using functools.partial, you can configure server settings, email types, and specific notifications. For instance, alert.email is a specialized function that sends alerts to admincompany.com with predefined server and email settings, simplifying complex operations into manageable steps. Using partial functions with map and filter allows for elegant data processing. By fixing certain parameters, we transform multi-parameter functions into single-parameter ones, suitable for map. This is effective in data pipelines, enabling consistent transformations across datasets with specific configurations, as demonstrated by doubling and adding 10 to each item in a list. Partial methods in classes streamline method calls by predefining parameters. Using functools' partial method, we create specialized methods like add_urgent, add_normal, and add_low in data processor. This approach enhances code readability and reduces redundancy, allowing users to call methods with meaningful names instead of repeatedly specifying parameters. Error handling with partials allows for consistent and standardized logging across applications. By using partial functions, you can create specialized error handlers like log critical and log warning, which streamline exception handling. This approach reduces boilerplate code, separates error detection from reporting, and simplifies global modifications to logging behavior. Partial functions enhance test code by enabling test-specific versions with pre-configured dependencies. Using partial, you can mock parameters like API client and cache, simplifying test setup. This approach ensures tests remain focused and maintainable, as seen in the test user fetch example, where only user ID is needed, improving clarity and efficiency. Partial functions introduce negligible overhead, typically 2 to 3% in memory cost, while maintaining optimization compatibility with Python's bytecode compiler. This slight overhead is often justified by the enhanced code clarity and maintainability they provide. Optimize away partials only if profiling identifies them as a bottleneck, which is rare. Introspection and debugging of partial functions are crucial for understanding complex functional chains. By inspecting attributes like func, args, and keywords, you gain transparency into the construction of partials. This is invaluable for debugging, especially when partials are dynamically created or passed through multiple layers, ensuring clarity and efficiency in your code. Mutable default arguments in partials can lead to shared state issues. Use none to initialize new lists. Positional argument confusion is another pitfall. Prefer keyword arguments for clarity. Avoid over-specialization by using partials for reusable patterns, not one-offs. Consider alternatives like lambdas for single-use cases to maintain code clarity. Partials enhance design patterns by enabling dynamic strategy selection with pre-configured parameters. They act as factories, producing specialized instances with consistent setups. For dependency injection, partials pre-bind services, enhancing testability and decoupling. In the builder pattern, chaining partials allows for fluent, readable configurations, progressively constructing complex functions. Partial functions in Python enhance code flexibility and readability. Using functools.partial, you can pre-configure functions like greet, creating specialized versions such as say, hello. Type hints ensure compatibility with tools like MyPy and Pywrite, while partials integrate smoothly with async, await, and data classes, maintaining their relevance in modern Python development. Utilize keyword arguments in partials for clarity, like partial func, x_5. Name partials descriptively, such as double or authorized API get. Document fixed parameters with comments. Avoid overusing partials. Direct calls can be clearer. Consider alternatives like Lambda for simplicity or dedicated wrappers for complexity. Refactor the code by creating a partial function for requests. Get, pre-binding the base URL and headers. This reduces repetition and enhances maintainability. Consider using environment variables for different environments, making the code more adaptable and testable. This approach streamlines API, application programming interface calls, ensuring consistent configuration across functions. Partial functions eliminate repetition by creating specialized versions of general functions, enhancing maintainability through DRI principles. They are perfect for configuration, pre-binding parameters for callbacks, API clients, and database connections. Partials enable elegant functional patterns with map, filter, and composition, making code more declarative and expressive. Use them judiciously to balance elegance with readability.